Hi, welcome to The Wolf Among Us. I'm going to be doing a playthrough of this for a friend of mine that doesn't have a PC, so she really can't get the full experience of a Telltale game. But there's going to be a lot of exposition and a lot of characters talking, so I'm not really going to be able to spend a whole lot of time commenting over the video. But let's get it done. So this is an episodic game. It is basically split up. Like when you buy the game, you kind of commit to getting episodes every so many months, and throughout all those episodes, it's going to tell the full story of the game. It's a nice method that Telltale Games has kind of pioneered, and other people have stepped up onto. But the benefit of it is they can concentrate on getting a single episode squared away with the full amount of effort and make it polished, instead of trying to polish an entire game where you can have interactions between different sections that cause issues. It's just more of a headache to deal with when you're a smaller company. The nice thing is it's kind of like a choose-your-own adventure, if you remember those old books from elementary school, where every decision you make is going to kind of change what's going on. Once upon a time in New York City, there lived a community of fairy tale characters known as Fabletown. The Fables who lived there arrived hundreds of years ago after they were exiled from their homelands. Through the use of a magic spell called Glamour, they have protected their secret community from the mundane world. Sheriff Bigby Wolf protects them from each other.
Today again, if you missed it, a record for the date, hottest ever in June, 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than, say, 73 with 31% humidity. And it is muggy out there.
From what I've gathered, this is almost like a film noir, kind of like a detective story. I'm excited. This was actually a game that I was super excited about, but then due to releases, it kind of fell off my radar. Like, I had bought this game when it first came out, like before all the episodes were even out, and just quietly accrued all the episodes without ever touching it. Like Jack, though. That kind of scruffy look going on. I really like the art style. It's got kind of that, not quite cel-shaded, but really close to a cel-shaded look. Kind of gives you the graphic novel feel.
Mr. Toad? Oh, shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my heart. No need to kick up a fuss.
I've heard enough of your excuses, Toad. This is unacceptable. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that.
You can't send me up to live with those animals. You know what I mean.
Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
Then get it fixed. It's not complicated, Toad. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again.
Fucking hell! See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there, do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place.
I should probably go handle this.
Yes, please.
I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you.
Probably gonna kind of play him as the badass, just because
Very pricked up shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad! The lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside.
I like Toad. Telltale Games has a good way of making you just like love all the characters.
You're gonna know who I fucking am, you hear me? Hey, look at me!
Just stop, okay? You're drunk. Let's go.
Take a look. Take a good look. Know who I am now? Hey, look at me!
Get off of me.
I'm the fucking police.
God damn you!
Oh!
Whoa, hey!
Whoa!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid?
Fuck this guy.
I'll fucking kill you!
All right, everyone.
Oh!
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
Woody, this is your last warning. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down.
Put me down? You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Shit, I didn't know there was buttons involved. It's been a while since I played a Telltale game. Totally forgot about quick time events.
You're a fucking glutton for punishment.
Fuck you.
Back off, asshole.
Oh! Sit the fuck down.
Had enough?
At least it's a fucking challenge.
Throw a punch. Eat all the dicks, Woodsman. Oh shit. Holy fuck. Not fuck with the big bad wolf.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you on the ground.
Hey, if you can't be nice, I'm gonna make you wait outside.
Oh, fucking shit. You bugged my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Shit.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girly.
Knock it off!
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
What are you doing here?
These lips are sealed.
Why was he hitting you?
Maybe you should ask him that.
I will, but I asked you first.
Like Big B, he's kind of a hard ass.
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones. and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch!
Would you excuse me for a moment?
By all means.
Come on!
I don't give any fucks. That was probably not the most optimal way to handle that, but...
Shit.
Oh god, I hope he's not dead. Oh, I'm guessing this is Toad's
Hey,
fuck.
Toad.
My car.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a second.
Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself comfortable.
So, how good is your insurance?
I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started. Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
Ah, shit. I gotta... Oh, you fucking whore. Nobody bites my finger.
Fucking in there. Come on out, you fucking dog.
No.
Let you out of your misery.
No. I don't want to change. I don't want to unglamour.
You ignorant fuck.
I'm literally slamming Q as hard as I can. There it is. Oh. Oh! Thank you. The fuck is he made of?
You can't be doing that.
I'm just getting what he owes me. You all right back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth? You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill you, you fucking
The fuck are
bitch.
you made of? Buckles?
He's had enough.
He's a fable. Son of a bitch can take plenty.
Yeah, but I still gotta be a fucking cop. I mean, shit.
Just come on.
Here.
Thanks.
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed. Sorry. Hey, you like my ribbon?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
She needs it.
I feel like we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things change, I guess.
I guess.
Of course he's gone. Fucking juggernaut.
Shit.
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
He hit you. He needs to pay for that.
He's got nothing to give, Sheriff. I checked. Besides, I just swung an axe into the guy's head. I'd say we're even.
Maybe I should be arresting you.
I'm not gonna be doing this for much longer.
Like her eyes.
Now's your chance.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
Let's see, I've got, it's 20, 40, 7, 8, 58. It's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Just take the money, okay?
You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office, then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to know.
You should get cleaned up. You look like shit. And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
My cleanup, okay?
I'll believe it when I see it.
Can't stop the flirt. Can't do it. It's too ingrained.
Hey. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are. I'll see you around, Wolf.
Hate to see you go, but I love to watch you leave. Fabletown. Like the music. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much like a it's a playable story. It's kind of like a graphic novel with a couple more mechanics added in and generally cleaned up, which I mean it's enjoyable as fuck. I'll probably after I finish this, I'll probably do a couple of the other Telltale game playthroughs. I don't know if I'll do multiple playthroughs just because I'm weird when it comes to RPGs and I play very much me in that place. So it's hard to put a different mentality going on. But this looks like a good place for us to pause this first video. Hopefully. Alright. If you guys liked it, hit the video up with a like. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. You'll know anytime that I throw up a new video. And anything you want to see me do or anything you want to see different, drop a comment in the video. I'll read them all and I'll respond to as many as I can. Okay, let's be honest. I'll respond to any comments that show up. But I will catch you guys later. And thank you for watching.